Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. Hey.
I should fix my hair before you start filming.
Too bad.
Too bad for you.
It'll be right, no one will care. So it's a Sunday morning, it's like 9:30 AM and as you can maybe tell from our get up, we're about to go on a little walk slash hike. Andy's mum gave us these books for Christmas, and where'd the cards go?
Yeah.
And these little card things. So it's walks in Melbourne and it shows you all the good walks, and then the book is walks around Mornington Peninsula, which is where we live. So we've just been looking and kind of just like flicking through and landing on things and seeing if we wanted to go there. So yeah, I think we found a place to go walk. We've never been before. I don't even think we've been to that area, have we?
Yeah, it doesn't sound familiar.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a nice day today considering it's autumn now and it's been freezing in Melbourne. It's actually okay outside. It's sunny and it's like 18 degrees, so we're gonna go for a walk. I did wake up and have breakfast, obviously. I will put a little clip of that right now. I just had Nutella on toast, or like healthier Nutella. It's called Nutvia, if you've heard of it. It's just like a sugar-free one with strawberries and banana and a protein shake. And yeah, we're gonna make a little lunches to take on a little picnic today so that we don't eat takeaway, and I'll show you guys what we make. Just gonna make sandwiches, and yeah, then we're gonna go for a little stroll. Okay, we're on our walk. We're probably like, what, 15 minutes in?
Yeah, and it hasn't been long.
Hasn't been long. It's a pretty flat surface. I actually thought it'd be more of like a hill or something.
Like
I don't
more
know.
off-road vibes.
Yeah, more off-road and like less people, but there's actually like a lot of people, so I'm finding it awkward to vlog. I see someone coming. But yeah, 15 minutes in, 2 hours to go. Yee. So pretty. Oh, hello cutie. Big open space. Just when I've had enough walking, we get to a steep hill, if you can tell how steep that is. At least it's open now, because we were in like the shade and cold before, and we're finally in the open ranges. Hey.
Who's this?
Who's this? What's your name?
Is this Vogue 73 questions?
Yeah. Okay. 73 questions with Andy.
No.
Let's go.
No, because I can't think.
What's your name?
Or talk. Andrew.
How old are you?
28.
28? What do you do for a job?
Design.
You're like mumbling.
Because I got food in my mouth.
Oh, what are you eating?
Lollies.
What kind of lolly?
Gummy.
73 questions are over. Bye.
Wait.
So we've just come to a fork in the road. You can either go left or you can go right. There is no sign to say which way we're meant to go.
Or you could go straight.
You can't go straight. There's a fence that has a security camera thingy on it, but legit, what way do you think we should go?
Right.
Right? Yeah. What makes you say right though over left?
If it's right.
The dad jokes. But
Hello.
seriously, what happens if we go the wrong way? How do you know it's right? There's no sign.
Well, there's a picture of a guy walking
Oh, so there is.
and a bike.
By the way, time check. We have walked 6 kilometers and it has been an hour and 20 minutes. So nearly there, 1K to go. I'm excited, my legs hurt. I want my lunch and I want to sit down and stretch. Let's do this though. 1K to go.
Yeah.
This puppy. Yeah. We made it, well, we made it halfway so far.
Yeah.
It's taken an hour and 35 minutes, the 7K walk, but you have to walk back to where we parked, so it's actually a 14-kilometer walk and a 3-hour. 14-kilometer and 3-hour walk, but we're just gonna set up shop here, have some food, have a stretch, and we'll get back on the road.
Trail.
Can I have my lunch, please, sir? Oh, kind sir. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Scott.
Oh, Brett. Scott who?
It's got nothing to do with you. What type of phone can't be used to call a friend? This is my facial expression.
Struggling. I have no idea.
A xylophone. Wait, I got more.
The camera's flashing.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
I am.
I am who?
You don't know who you are?
These are so shit.
Why is 6 AFR aid of 7?
Afraid?
Oh. Why is 6, it's got a space, why is 6 afraid of 7?
Because 7, 8, 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's.
Good job.
I learned that one in. That's the first joke I ever heard
Well, aren't
in
you,
primary school, Brett.
aren't you cool?
AFA'd.
Okay, we're walking back now and we're 1K from the end. I haven't vlogged anything because I am literally dying. My legs, I've been doing these and just like punching my leg because they're asleep. My hips hurt so much. I'm just being a whiny baby now, aren't I, Andy?
No, you're alright, Brett.
He doesn't feel any pain. I'm like, how do you not feel pain? We've been walking for 13 kilometers. But yeah, 1K left. Let's do it, guys. Sometimes I literally just close my eyes and like walk. I'm that tired. I need ice cream or like a Gatorade or something after this because my sugar levels are low and I'm so dehydrated.
Purple Gatorade.
Purple Gatorade. Yum, grape.
On the
Oh,
house.
I'll hold you to that, mate.
Right?
On the house. Oh, look at me go. I like this deal. Alright, I'll check in when we finish our walk. So we're in the car now. We obviously finished the hike. I'll show you guys my Lorna Jane app to show you how far we went. Let me find it. 3 hours and 13 minutes and 13 point, I can't read that backwards, 66 kilometers I think it says. Oh, our legs are jelly. How are you feeling?
Do you like jelly?
Yeah?
I'm alright.
He's just tough. I'm a crier. Nah, I'm alright. I just wish I could take my shoes off. You know when like you just wear like tight runners and socks and then you just want to like air them out. That's what I want to do, but I don't want to stink out the car, so I'm gonna wait. But we just went to the grocery shop and I got a little orange juice to get my energy levels back because I literally have no energy left. And I didn't have a coffee today either because I didn't want to pee on our walk 20 million times. So I'm running on low energy. Edie's got a little lemonade.
Traditional lemonade.
Traditional lemonade. And we're just on our drive home. So we're about half an hour from home. But yeah, just thought I would check in, say that the walk is all done and dusted. It was good. It was the first time we've ever been on like a long walk like that. Like we've never...
What was the longest?
Yeah, I can't... Yeah, definitely have never done that type of thing rest of my juice, and I'll check in with you guys when I get home.
Bye.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple hours since I last vlogged. In all honesty, we got home and we kind of like lounged for an hour or so because we were both so tired. I was falling asleep in the car on the way home, like taking little naps. I wake up and jolt up. So yeah, we just kind of chilled out for a couple hours, and then we did our grocery shop. So I thought I'd show you guys what we picked up for that. We bought quite a lot this week, even though we were on like a tight budget, but we still managed to stay a couple of dollars under budget, which is good. But we'll start over here. So I have my favorite popcorn, which is just the plain sea salt flavor, and you get like 5 mini packs, so they're going to be some of my snacks this week. We also got some mixed nuts. I've got some coconut oil. Andy has some light milk. I also have like 3 things of almond milk in the fridge because they were on sale last week, so I bought a heap. So yeah, my milk's in the fridge. This is Andy's yogurt, and then I have my little YoPro ones. These are by far my favorite because they've got no added sugars and they're all natural, so I love those. So I've got 5 of those for the week, which I'll have with the popcorn as like snacks. And then we've got some bacon and edamame beans, as well as pasta, because I'm going to make us a carbonara tonight. Instead of cream, I like to use some light milk and a little bit of flour to thicken it, and I make like a carbonara sauce. So we've got, yeah, the bacon, edamame. I've got this pasta. Andy will just have like normal pasta, and I also have a spring onion as well. We've got some Parmesan cheese. We've got chicken as per usual. This is what we get every single week. I've got Moroccan veggie burgers for meal prep this week because I was craving them. I'm obsessed with these, and I couldn't really be bothered with meal prep this week, so I'm just going to do this and make them in either like a salad or a salad sandwich. I've got some hummus. This has been my latest obsession lately. I thought I hated hummus, so I hadn't had it in so long, but I tried it the other day and now I'm obsessed. So yeah, hummus as another snack for the week. I'm going to pair that with some carrot. We've got a bunch of bananas. We've got some potatoes, some strawberries, apples, oranges. Got 2 bags of frozen broccoli, and there's also like corn and beans and stuff like that in our freezer. And then a bag of baby spinach. So yeah, that is the groceries we picked up this week. But I'm gonna go have a shower now because my hair needs to be washed, and I'm gonna bake some banana bread afterwards, and I'm also gonna make us some dinner. So yeah, not gonna be looking very flash when I get out, but I will show you guys. So cute. It would have been so long since I've seen little Peanut. Hello? Hello? Oh my god, I love you. Yeah, so I'm gonna go have a shower, wash my hair, and I will show you guys what our dinner and my banana bread looks like when I get out. So this is our carbonara for the night. I just added 1/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs, and then whisked it with the spring onion, the bacon, and the edamame beans. So I've got like the lentil pasta. Andy just has normal fettuccine, and I also ended up making the banana bread. It looks and smells delicious, but it's from the Happy Way collaboration with Sophie, I don't know her last name, Golddoing? What? That was, I butchered that, I'm sorry, wow. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'll show you guys on my Instagram, I'll tell you guys on my Instagram how it goes. But yeah, as you can see, I'm a hot mess because I just had a shower and washed me hair. I'm going to eat my dinner, and then I'm going to fake tan and head to bed. So if you guys liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below so that you can join our family and watch other videos of us. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!